Hello, everybody. I'm just making a little salmon crudo for the new year, which is a kind of quick cure of salmon. So I bought a side of salmon and I took the skin off and have filleted and gotten rid of the pin bones. And now I'm just cutting sort of 1/4-inch slices, maybe a little bit bigger, of the salmon. You just need a good sharp knife, and occasionally you just want to clean the knife off to make sure it's doing what it needs to do so that you get the least resistance possible. And these are only going to cure for 3 minutes. These have been curing, and the minimum after this is done is about 3 hours in the fridge, covered, and I'm going to leave them on the rack so they dry a little bit more. Some people say just put it on a platter. The brine itself is a cure of fresh, cold water, and the cold water is important. And for every cup of kosher salt, you want 1/3 of a cup, or a little bit less, of sugar. And you want to mix that thoroughly until it's absolutely clear again, so that everything is dissolved. And once everything is dissolved, then you can begin the curing process. And I'm going to do some of this today because we're having a kind of crazy pre-New Year drinks with the boys, which is always fun. And then tomorrow night, we'll have this for New Year, so this will have more of a time and a chance to cure it. Again, you want to keep your board clean. It's only 3 minutes that you want to put that in. If they're a little bit thicker, then you want to put a little bit more, but certainly no more than 4, and it can't hurt it. Then ultimately, this, as you can see, they're still sort of shiny and wet, and what we'll do is just quickly sort of pat them dry a little bit and have this. Now, I like to serve this with couple of ways. You can create a kind of soy sauce and grated ginger, which is a really nice mix for it. Or you can do wasabi, you can put this on a salad, you can do really anything you want to do. Now we're getting to the 3 minutes soon. I think I've got time to just cut these. I'm cutting it a little bit thicker. And again, just a nice easy stroke with a sharp knife, one motion down. It's critical to get all of those pin bones out. And just keep slicing, taking your time. And this is a good quality salmon, which is important. Now all of this, I could put it all in the brine if I wanted to, but I don't want to overcrowd the brine. I'm in no hurry, and I want to make sure that the brine kind of penetrates everywhere. And then we just put that out, and then these will just keep lining up like this. See, I feel a pin bone in there. I missed one. Well, I'll have to find that one. That's here, so let's put that one aside. And we'll dry these off, and you can put a really nice olive oil on top of them too if you want to, and if you're in a country where you can get it, I would certainly go for honest olive oil from Greece. I'll tag them in this, letting them know. In the UK you can get it, in Hungary you can get it, in Berlin you can get it, Budapest, but I can't say Hungary because I don't know if you can get it anyplace else. So now we're just going to add some more here, spread it out, and I'm only going to add 10, 12 pieces max because I really want them to sit. There's no hurry for this to happen. So we'll go through. I'm going to have to check. Yeah, I found a little pin bone. So if you find a little pin bone, this is a little bit more delicate operation. There's that little bit that was there. Okay, no. Good. All right. So now we can put those there. Those will marinate, and you see how it goes. But it's a lovely, shiny thing, festive for the New Year's. I wish you all a safe, happy, healthy New Year from Tim in the Kitchen.